And don't know what I'd ever do without you from the beginning to the end. Could always been here right beside me. So I'll call you my best friend through the good times and the bad.
What's up, y'all? What's going on? I miss you. How you been? Y'all, it's Friday. Ooh, I feel so good. Lickable. That's how fine I feel. Period. Anyways, so it's Friday. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go in here. I gotta give me some lip gloss, but I'm really gonna go in this hair store, check out these wigs. And this is where I go and get my wigs in Nashville. I gotta come all the way to Madison, but it's worth the drive because they have really good quality wigs. So we about to go into this dollar store because we got to get some air freshener for the car. Y'all, I just feel so fine. Like, oh. But it's raining, but you know what? That don't stop nothing. That don't stop anything. I just need to drive a little bit slower. That's all that means. I'm going to take my time. But yeah, we going to go in here. We going to knock this thing out. Sorry, y'all. I keep moving because that's just me. But yes. Excuse me. We going to go in here. We going to get this lip gloss so these lips will be popping in the rain. And yeah, we just going to slide over here to this hair store. So this is a little bit going to be the go today. I'm waiting on this rain to die down before I get out the car because I don't want to get my little I want to get my hair wet. But anyway, so this is what we're going to be doing. So the reason why I am doing this wig video or going wig shopping is because I need a burgundy wig. I don't care. Well, a burgundy where at least it'll be black faded into the burgundy at the bottom. I'll take that. Or just all burgundy. I really want burgundy wig. Because I have a new fall collection about to drop here soon of my relaunch of my boutique. I'm basically starting over with it. There's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing my first photo shoot of the new relaunch. And some of the styles and stuff that I got, the burgundy hair with it is really just gonna make it pop. It's gonna make it pop, girl. So it is lickable, fine. All cuddle season long. That's what they say. It's cuddle season. Okay, we're gonna see. We're gonna see if this works. Anyways, period. These clothes that I'm about to be, I'm just so excited. I already done told too much. But anyways, so yes, it's gonna be my first photo shoot. I'm so excited. I finally got a my first little team. I'm slowly getting my team together because I was trying to thug it and do it by myself, but I need some help. You know, I've gotten it this far. I've stuck with it this far, and yeah, I need some help now. So with that being said, yes, girl, we gonna get the burgundy wig on them, sis. Period. And then also, I am going to leave the address of this hair beauty supply place in the bio. So if you come to Nashville and you on the east side of Nashville, go ahead and swing in this beauty store. We have a lot of hair stores on this side of town. From east all the way to Madison, it's pretty much like a little suburb. There's tons and tons of hair stores. So yeah, but I know this one in particularly, it's a nice size, it's pretty big, and it's always just easy to go in there. And they have plenty of wigs, like plenty of them. But yeah, not knocking none of the other places here, but some of the beauty supply hair stores here, the girls be getting the good hair so fast. They be getting it so fast. So when I normally go into some of the other ones that I like, I don't really have a lot of options. But this one is one I know that is no more of a secret because I'm telling you where I'm getting my hair. Dang, just thought about that. But anyways, yeah, but I be asking them when they get their shipment. If I really like your store, I'm asking you what. So you get new shipment every Tuesday? Bet. I'll be in here Tuesday then. You know, like if I really like you, like I want to know more. What better way I can come and spend my money with you? That's just me. So yes, girl. And it finally died down. So you know we can't get the hair wet. We can't get the hair wet. We got a lot of places to go. I got a lot of moves I got to make today. And so, yeah. Let's go. Okay, so you know you at the white run when you got this beautiful art piece on the side. So, it go all the way down, all the way over. So, we just gonna walk in, but I'm not gonna let them know that I'm filming. But I'm not gonna be obvious though. So, yeah. And it's called Hair and Wigs Beauty Supply. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So these is the ones that I picked out so far. So you got this one for 47. You got this one for 79. But these really look the same. And then I got this one. But she gonna try to go and get one if I can zoom in on. She gonna see if that one got a burgundy in there. But this is all the ones that they have. I just love it because you can come out here and look fine. So yeah. And a lot of these wigs, some of them depend on what you get. But even that gray one up there, that one right there, that one's pretty. And that blonde one right there, that last one, that's pretty too. So yeah, we gonna see what she got. So the decision has came down to either these two, and I know that's not burgundy, but it just looks so sexy though in the front. And then with the curls, so, but I'm really feeling this one right here. It seemed like that one just got a little bit more. So, yeah. But they got, like I said, they got so many. They got so many over there. I'm going with, I know I said I was going to get a burgundy wig, but y'all, I just couldn't, like, come on now. Come on. Okay. So I might just end up coming back for this one. I know this, but it's just, it don't got enough body. I need something a little bit more flirtatious or something. Look at that curl. So, yeah. This one I end up going with. So it's going to be $70, which I don't think is that bad for you to come in the store and actually buy it. So I don't think that's that bad. But here, and then that's the color of it down there. These are some of the other ones. So, yes. Okay, so y'all know I had to come over here to the makeup section, which is so beautiful. And my phone's about to die, so this will probably be the last little bit of this video is the makeup section. But I need some contour and some bronzer. So, here go that makeup. They got everything. You got the nail polish colors. And most of all, the lash wall. Period. They got everything. So yeah, and look at all their lipsticks. Fine as wine. They got these over here. Everything about $3 to $4, which I don't think that's bad. And then you got a few things it's like $7.99 or whatever, but that's not bad. They got everything. So yes, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I'm probably about to pick this stuff out and then I'm about to get out of here. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I enjoyed y'all.